Diyos ko. Kasi maba na kalsadang ito.
Because one part is nice, they changed it, and then the next part it's old, and it's all like...
Yeah. We're going to Bellevue today. It's my birthday. Grace and Jasmine, we're going, and Daddy is with me, and we're going to eat there in Bellevue. I don't know, soup restaurant. Aray ko, Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Para to eh. Oh, Mariano is there. Hello, good morning. It's November 2, 2005. It's like I'm 2025. It's like ano eh, it's like I'm swaying here at the back. And
2 miles, take exit 12 onto 116th Avenue Southeast.
Nagsasalita ko, sasabat-sabatin man itong anong ini. Jasmine is driving and Grace is right there. Grace, say hi! There, we're going to Bellevue. Nice weather, nice fall weather. But tomorrow is raining. Going to rain, I mean. Nice tree colors. Fall colors of the trees. Kala ko Maryland. Yung pala.
Just mine.
Maryland.
Kaya nga. Kala ko Maryland. Yung pala Kirkland.
Wala yung Maryland. Dada ka pa ng LA.
Ay, LA daw! Ano mong dadaan ng LA?
Ayaw, mapapunta ko lang.
Abay, LA East Coast yun?
LA West Coast.
Maryland the East Coast, di ba?
Sino pa nasa Maryland?
That's nice, Bellevue. Look at those buildings. Nice, nice. Downtown Bellevue. Talagang gusto mo yung Casita House?
I like it. It's like, it's small.
Yeah.
It's like, it's not...
Yeah.
Oh, it's the Casita House. The one with the open upstairs. Have you been upstairs? The one with the,
Swimming pool. When it's rain.
There's like a small kitchen.
Yeah.
Mommy, it's just you. You don't need a big kitchen. It's like a, and then the living room is pretty big. It's like connected to it.
It's the building that we saw. It's right here. We're in downtown.
There's a robot.
Bellevue.
There's a robot that brings our stuff.
Oh.
I think me and Jasmine has been there, just us before. Yeah, but Mommy didn't want to go.
Huwag mo nang dalhin yung jacket mo, Daddy.
Ang cellphone ko na rin eh.
Oh.
You want me to hold your phone?
Yeah.
Daddy?
Go past this light, then at the next one.
Hindi rin ako ulit.
Don't leave it in the car. Mark went there.
Look at that.
Yesterday,
Look at that.
They say.
We're here. We're just going to park the car. Going to the garage. We're already here in Lido Hot Pot. Hi, Jasmine. We're waiting here. Jasmine and Grace. May papri, tea and water, orange water pa habang naghihintay sa appointment time. Yeah. We're ordering.
Mom, what do you want premium?
Basta kung ano na lamang, malay ko ba kung ano iyan?
Frog?
Anong frog? Pakakainin mo ang palaka. Daddy, gusto ko kumain ng palaka. Gusto mo kumain ng palaka?
Okay, setsu.
Yung palaka na kinakain nyo.
And then
Ang pag-order ng menu. May ganyan. Daddy, doon ka. Wow. Look at that, Daddy. It's my birthday lunch.
Welcome to Haidilao. My name is Jay. Oh, we already started.
yeah.
We need some hot water for today or just ice water? Is okay.
Ice water is fine.
For everybody?
Yes.
No problem.
Thank you. Are we good with these? We have a tablet. Okay, I'll just order this.
Ano to? Spicy?
This one's tom yum. It's like mild, and this one is spicy. Doesn't you know that's not.
Mag-behave ka. Hindi, ganyan talaga yung style nila.
I'll go egg and apron with ice water.
Thank you.
Oh. Mag-e-apron daw. Ay, Mariano. Mariano. Mag-e-apron. Dali. Suotin mo apron. Suotin. Oh, lalagay ko sa iya. Ayaw mo mag-apron. Pwede namang hindi, di ba? Yan, siya, Mariano. May robot. Init siya, no?
Yeah, it'll start boiling.
Oh. Para hindi yan, oh. Mag-deliver ng food. Ito, umorder ako ng pineapple.
Batko combo. Fresh egg noodle and instant noodle. Mini fried tofu.
And then this is your meal. And then you and Daddy gets this.
Ano to? Udon?
Yeah, it's like udon that's
Lalagay doon sa loob.
yeah, you put it inside and then same with that.
Ilagay mo na.
Wait, I think they ordered. Hold on.
Ayan, nag-i-start na mag-boil. Naku, spicy ito. Merong ano eh, may sili. Ito hindi pa nagbo-boil. There you go. Yan na ang in-order nyo na ano.
Yeah. Did you want more?
No?
Where?
Again,
It fell on the side.
yan. Hindi mo makikita yan eh.
Okay. Mom, look.
Ano yun? Hot pot noodles.
This is hot pot.
Hot pot.
Okay, we'll let it cook. And then this one is for that.
Lahat mo na, anak.
Yeah.
Tinira mo pa.
You can order more noodles if you want. Yeah. Listen, can you mix these?
What is this? Mommy, can you get this canoe?
Put it on like the side like this.
These already
I know it's already boiling. That's why you just gotta let it cook.
Pwede na kainin, ano?
Yeah, Yeah, it's already cooked. You just have to wait for it to.
Ayan.
Welcome to the hot pot experience. I made mine too spicy. Which one?
Andiyan na lahat. Yan. Hindi na may nanigdas ni. We're done eating. They're all gone. The food all gone. Mariano's still eating. We're all done. Thank you, Grace, for lunch dinner. Lunch food, birthday food.